Hello and welcome back to another haul showing you what I got from Jeans, GLASSONS and JJ's, so let's just get into it. So first up is what I got from a sports store. I just wanted to get some more little gloves because I'm going to be going down to Queenstown where it's a lot colder, and now that it's winter I need some gloves just to keep my hands warm on a cold day. So I picked up these, which I think will be great for down in Queenstown as well as just on another cold day here. Next up, I picked up a long sleeve top from Jeans. I've been looking for more long sleeve tops for such a long time. I have all of my ones from Illab, but I didn't have enough, so I wanted to buy some more, but unfortunately they were really hard to find. Long sleeve tops are so difficult to come across. I only picked up one because I only found one, so that was a little unfortunate, but this one does look like it's going to be really nice. For me, I love wearing long sleeve tops in the autumn time just as is, and then in the winter underneath a jumper because I think they can look really cute that way, but also just normally just walking around your house wearing them because they look really nice that way as well. For those of you who don't know, last year I broke my wrist, just this one here, and it was quite a bad break, but I did a haul of stuff that I bought to wear with my cast, and I got some tracksuit pants, but I ended up losing them and I have no idea what happened to them. One day out of the blue they just disappeared and I have no idea what happened to them. They were a set of grey tracksuit pants that I got from Cotton On. So from JJ's I picked up some more grey tracksuit pants to replace the ones that I'd lost, which again I have no idea what happened to them or where they went, which is kind of sad. So I just picked up these grey tracksuit pants. They're not exactly the same as the ones I got from Cotton On, but they're pretty similar, and I just wanted another pair of grey tracksuit pants because they go with everything, and I didn't have any more tracksuit pants, which is really important because it's getting a lot colder and I need some cozy tracksuit pants. So these ones have a really nice soft cozy inner as well, which is really nice. So I hope that these turn out really nice. They seem super soft. And finally is what I got from GLASSONS. Now I do have a lot of sweatshirts, but I don't really love all of them. I only wear about 2 or 3 of them. So I wanted to pick up another one that I can really love and enjoy. And instead of getting it from JJ's where I get the rest of my sweaters from, I picked this one up from GLASSONS because we were in here and I had a look and I thought it was really nice. Super soft with a nice cozy inner as well. Just a really nice, good little sweatshirt. Here it is, a nice white cozy sweatshirt with some blue on it and some writing. Super soft inside, it has no hood, but it is really nice just for wearing with a pair of jeans in the winter. I think it's really cozy, you could wear it out. It's more professional in comparison to other sweatshirts. It's a nice cozy sweater that I think you could just wear with jeans if you're going out to lunch or out to dinner in the winter. So not like professional, but just like more nicer for going out. And, you know, unless it gets dirty of course, but I think it's a really nice little sweatshirt. And that's everything I got from JJ's, Jeans and GLASSONS. I hope that you enjoyed today's haul. If you did, then don't forget to smash the big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Also don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video.